Hi friends, it's Petra here with another P13 layout, and today I'm using the Birdhouse collection, a beautiful sweet colored collection, and I'm starting off with two large circles and I'm backing the light blue music paper with that marble pink blue paper just a bit off center so I get that little pink border on the side. And today I'm creating a layout of our little bird Fritz. And I'm backing that paper with two of the 6-inch paper pad papers. One is a bit brighter pink and the other one is a light blue. And I've fussy cut all those beautiful flowers from one of the papers of the huge paper pack. And in the paper packs there's always sheets of flowers and cut apart. So I'm a huge fan of fussy cutting. So that's really my thing. And I wanted to use a lot of flowers on this layout. So I'm backing those circles with a bit of foam sheet so it gets a bit elevated. That way I'm always able to tuck things underneath. And I'm simply sticking it in the center of my page. Same with the photo, also a bit of foam tape. And then it's time to start arranging all those gorgeous flowers around that photo. And sometimes when I want to create a little bit of elevation and lift, then I simply fold a double-sided piece of foam tape and tuck it under that flower. And since I always leave open space on the edges of my project, it's easy to tuck everything underneath. So I'm also using that light chipboard feathers that are in the collection, and they are gorgeous. And since it's our little bird, I thought it would be fitting to use those beautiful feathers. And there are also light chipboard birdhouses in that collection, so I had to use one of them. Now I am sticking down some of those circular stickers that are in the collection, but in the end I remove a couple of them because I didn't find it fitting the design. And I used one of those gorgeous phrase stickers and I simply made a little swallowtail on the end so it became some kind of a small banner. And I decided to use another chipboard feather. And one of those chipboard stickers, they are gorgeous and give a bit more dimension. I'm always looking to create layouts with lots of dimension and um, textures, so that chipboard and the light chipboard is great for that. And in my stash I have some white feathers, so I decided to incorporate those as well. And here you see how easy it is when you um, leave the outer part of your project unglued or loose. So that it's very easy to tuck things underneath, and you can always put some glue underneath it when you're finished. So time for my title, and I'm using a dark blue alphabet sticker. And I decide to let those letters follow the edge of that circle. And I always lay the letters down quite loose so I'm able to easily move them around and make sure I like the spacing and the layout of all the words. And then I simply press them down, or I glue them down separately afterwards. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you so much for watching my video again, and I would love to see your comments and what you think. Please let me know, and I hope to see you the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.